Did you know that a wall once divided a city and its people, symbolizing a stark ideological divide? The Berlin Wall stood as a powerful emblem of the Cold War, fundamentally altering the course of history. To understand the significance of the Berlin Wall's fall, we must first look back to its construction in 1961. The wall was erected to prevent East Germans from fleeing to the west, marking the height of Cold War tensions. Fast forward to 1989, a pivotal year when a series of peaceful protests erupted across East Germany. Influential figures like Lech Wałęsa in Poland inspired many, leading to a crack in the Iron Curtain. On November 9, 1989, the unthinkable happened. The wall fell, a moment that resonated globally. It was a culmination of years of struggle and the power of collective will, leading to Germany's reunification. The fall of the Berlin Wall not only changed Germany, it reshaped global politics, marking the decline of communist influence in Eastern Europe. Today, it serves as a reminder of the importance of freedom and unity. As we reflect on this monumental event, it's crucial to acknowledge how far we've come and the ongoing challenges we face. The Berlin Wall's legacy teaches us that hope and resilience can overcome even the greatest divides.